These are the two fractions from the test that we've just performed of the 0 to 75mm ring mill shredded WEEE material. On the left you'll see the non-ferrous metals that we've recovered, quite a clean product there. The longer and the other pieces of what look like a black cable actually have an aluminium sheathing on the inside, you can see there. That's why they've been thrown in with the non-ferrous metal. That one there is cable again, possibly a cable insulation with an aluminium sheathing. So that again has got been thrown with the aluminium. We try to minimise the amount of printed circuit board that goes in this fraction, but depending on the amount of copper that's on the printed circuit board, it may get thrown into here. Bigger pieces of copper come in, all of the bigger pieces of aluminium as you'd expect. But the test of a good eddy current is whether or not it will separate cleanly and whether it recovers the majority of the non-ferrous, obviously, that you're trying to get. Now, as you can see here, very small pieces of non-ferrous cleanly have been recovered down to just a few millimetres in size. That one there is probably 5mm in size. And as we go through it, we see very small pieces that have taken them out cleanly and not had any contamination of the bigger pieces of plastic. All of these pieces that may appear to be plastic actually have an aluminium core within them. So if we move over to the plastic fraction now, we'll see that what we've got left in there are all of the plastics and the bigger pieces of non-metals, as you'd expect. We'll get the printed circuit board with the lower levels of copper in it are in here. The finer pieces of copper wire won't get separated with the eddy current at this stage. This size of copper could be if it was all shredded down into small pieces, but as it is at the moment, it wouldn't separate away from the larger pieces of non-metal. So what we're looking for to see how well it's performed is whether or not there are any pieces of bigger pieces of aluminium, or even the smaller pieces of aluminium, but it's very difficult to find any. I'm not saying there aren't any in there, but it's hard to see them. So it's a very good indication that quite a clean separation has been performed with just a single pass.